Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and if you're like me, you don't like people sticking their hands in the ice or the cereal to scoop things out. And so that's why there's a scoop for that. So I have these scoops by Spring Chef. They come 2 in a pack. Each scoop is about 1 cup. It's a nice, beautiful, ergonomic shape for the scoop. The handle is rubber, so it really grips nice and easily. And the durable plastic is what I really love. Now, I use this scoop for my ice tray. So when they go in and they need to get ice, there's no more of this, grabbing it with the hands, only with the scoop. I tell them there's a scoop for that. I also have a scoop on the refrigerator because these are magnetic. That's one of the things I really love about them. They have a flat back on the handle, and that is magnetic. So all I do is stick it on the refrigerator and it's ready for me whenever I want to scoop macaroni, cereal, flour, rice, anything. I get 1 cup of whatever I want, so it's measured for me. I love that about it. They are dishwasher safe, which is another thing that I like. And if I needed to get in a small, narrow space, look, all I have to do is squeeze and it becomes a narrower scoop, but it still remains at 1 cup. I love these scoops by Spring Chef. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.